A share value equivalent to $5.5717 a coin. The present reach: $5.4962, $5.7722. The earlier day close: $5.7534. The change was 0.1817, 3.16%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Axes. A share value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Axes to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Initially cost at $5.75. Most extreme cost $8.56, least cost $5.46. The normal for the month $6.79. The share cost gauge toward the month's end $7.40, change for November 28.7%. A share cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $7.40. Greatest cost $7.83, least cost $6.75. The normal for the month $7.31. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $7.26, change for December 1.9%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $7.26. Greatest cost $7.26, least cost $5.67. The normal for the month $6.57. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $6.10, change for January 16.0%. A share cost expectation for February 2024. Before all else cost at $6.10. Most extreme cost $6.58, least cost $5.72. The normal for the month $6.14. A share cost figure toward the month's end $6.15, change for February 0.8%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $6.15. Most extreme cost $6.15, least cost $4.97. The normal for the month $5.65. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $5.34, change for spring 13.2%. A share cost expectation for April 2024. To start with cost at $5.34. Greatest cost $5.34, least cost $4.31. The normal for the month $4.91. The share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.63, change for April 13.3%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Before all else cost at $4.63. Most extreme cost $4.67, least cost $4.05. The normal for the month $4.43. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $4.36, change for May 5.8%. A share cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $4.36. Most extreme cost $4.36, least cost $3.56. The normal for the month $4.03. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.83, change for June 12.2%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. To start with cost at $3.83. Greatest cost $3.83, least cost $3.12. The normal for the month $3.53. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.35, change for July 12.5%. A share cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $3.35. Greatest cost $4.16, least cost $3.35. The normal for the month $3.69. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.89, change for August 16.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place cost at $3.89. Greatest cost $3.89, least cost $3.12. The normal for the month $3.56. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.35, change for September 13.9%. A share cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $3.35. Most extreme cost $3.35, least cost $2.61. The normal for the month $3.03. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $2.81, change for October 16.1%. A share cost expectation for December 2025. To start with cost at $4.32. Greatest cost $5.36, least cost $4.32. The normal for the month $4.75. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $5.01, change for December 16.0%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $5.01. Most extreme cost $5.01, least cost $3.92. The normal for the month $4.54. A share cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.21, change for January 16.0%. A share cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $4.21. Most extreme cost $4.21, least cost $3.58. The normal for the month $3.96. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $3.85, change for February 8.6%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for WOC 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.85. Greatest cost $4.78, least cost $3.85. The normal for the month $4.24. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.47, change for spring 16.1%. A share cost expectation for April 2026. To start with cost at $4.47. Most extreme cost $4.53, least cost $3.93. The normal for the month $4.29. A share cost estimate toward the month's end $4.23, change for April 5.4%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with cost at $4.23. Greatest cost $4.23, least cost $3.30. The normal for the month $3.83. A share cost gauge toward the month's end $3.55, change for May 16.1%. A share cost expectation for June 2026. First and foremost cost at $3.55. Greatest cost $4.18, least cost $3.55. The normal for the month $3.80. A share cost figure toward the month's end $3.91, change for June 10.1%. Axes to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. Before all else cost at $3.91. Most extreme cost $3.91, least cost $3.14. The normal for the month $3.59. A share cost